Hi everybody and welcome to my unboxing video. I'm filming this because I wanted you guys to see my reactions. So yeah, let's get open it. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Box. Okay. Ooh. One free meal kit. Very fancy. Okay. It's me. Okay, there's like a little plastic thing on it, so I'm just gonna cut that off. Oops. The Catholic Gators logos on the back. There's Minnie and Mickey. Oh my gosh, and I'm wearing my polka dot dress in it, so like honestly, Queen. Oh, they're still plastic, but. Okay, so the first page is blank. Oh. It has a smell. I don't know what it is. It's like kind of woodsy. Oh my gosh. Wow. My hair was so good in this picture. You could tell it was like freshly dyed. Real talk. Yeah, that was when I was setup leader. To the best president, your loyal subjects. Hey. Oh my gosh, those pictures are so long. Guys, I'm low-key tearing up. Oh my gosh, my hair's already on it. My hair gets everywhere. Family, wow. Oh my gosh, it's me dying Jacob's hair! Bring back pink hair Jacob 2K20. Let's go. Wow. Oh, Mickey Mouse. The Mickey. Okay, straight up our family photo. Look at my children. My team. Okay, shout out to Michelle for this picture. It's so cute. It makes me cry. Sorry, I was laughing at this one. Go Gators, am I right? Okay, laughed at this one. Literally moved away. This is such an old photo. I love it. No, it was my first alpha team. Not this one, but this was still good. Okay, real talk. I look so good on this roller coaster. Like, my makeup, flawless. I'm about to get really emotional. Sorry, I haven't read them yet. I just like seeing them. I'm not gonna read them out loud because I don't know if there's like private stuff. Although, you know, I would spill the tea, but no, I'm gonna be good. Joe, how could you spell Newman wrong? Are you serious? Newan? Oh, sorry, my computer screen just went dark. That's Guys, thank you so much.